What's up, everybody? So here's a little update. I haven't posted anything on YouTube in a while. I have been having complications with the 3D printer that I got, which is this guy right here. Right now it's 3D printing something for my VR headset because one of the pieces broke, so I think I might have fixed it. Oh, look at that. It just finished printing right as we were speaking. But yeah, so that's done printing. So what you would do is you'd take that. I changed my clips actually. So this is what came with the printer. Let me go to the light. So this is what came with the printer for the hold the print bed, which is the glass to it. You turn the bottom right here where my thumb is, screw goes up and it holds it tight down. And it comes in 4 spots. So it goes one right here. I don't know if the camera can pick up the outline right there. One on that side, one on that side, and one on that side. Which was kind of hassle to sit here, unscrew this, unscrew that, and that. Then they take the plate off. And sometimes I would hit the leveling knob when I would take the piece off the right here. So my brother gave me these, which is from his old 3D printer, which I can just pop off with one hand. But the print bed is kind of hot still. So I just go like that, it slides right off. And then same on that side, take the glass off, put it on the ground, use the paint scraper or whatever it is, pry this off, which I can probably do it with my hand, but I don't want to do it because I don't want to unlevel the bed. But I printed 2 of them in case one broke or they both work. Sweet. It's for my headset where the wire goes down the side. That piece that holds the wire up right here, because it plugs in right here and then it goes all the way up the side. The piece that holds it right here broke, so I got those. I'm gonna see if that works. If it works, sweet. If it doesn't, then I'll have to modify it. Sorry for the noise in the background. The fan is on, but I haven't stopped working on the custom grill. I know I said when I hit 200 subscribers. I'm sorry, guys. This is the last print that I made on it, and it looks nice. This, I have to clear out the tracks on these side as well. The plastic fits in here perfectly, but when I send this out to the company to put their lights on, I don't think they'll be able to fit the lights in this small tight space. So I think I'm gonna have to modify it and like make a lot more space in the back. Or I was thinking what I could do is keep the front like this, keep the back, but instead of it having the letters right here, just make like a box or something that goes around this so they can do the outside like that, outside of the C and outside of the A. But all you'll see would be light up would be the inside, because all you would see would be this and then the white on the inside. So that's my idea. Still thinking about it. I'm actually going to email the company. I'm going to actually email the company and ask them about it. My grill has a lot of holes in it for the airflow to go to my radiator, to go to my engine, to cool my engine down. But if I block that whole gap in the middle, then it won't have that much airflow, and that section that's being blocked won't get any airflow at all. So what I was thinking is I start the print, so like I'm saying, printing it right here, then pause the print once it gets a thin layer, take screen fabric, like screen like this stuff on your windows, put it over it, then resume the print. So like put it over that piece that was just printed, resume the print so it goes over this, so hopefully it would bond to that screen. But I was thinking, because that would keep it black on the inside, because what I was planning on doing was maybe like filling in this whole spot. But like I said, everything right here wouldn't have any airflow. So I was thinking I could do a thick border around with my plastic, then do screen in here with the letters. But I think I might modify the letters so they're a little bit bigger. So I might do A taking up this whole spot, then C and E, so it takes up this whole entire thing. I'll make some models on my computer, and then I will decide whether I'm going to do the screen, the bigger letters, and so on. And that's the end of this update. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. And in my last video with my SRB 400, the splat ball gun, I put in comments, but I forgot to say in the video, once that video hits 100 likes, then I will go out and I'll buy another splat ball gun, and I will modify it and show you guys how I made it into a tracer round, so you guys in turn can do it at your house, at your place, so you can have your own modified guns that you can shoot at night and you can see where all the bullets go and everything. And I was thinking about maybe doing a giveaway with that second splat ball gun, but I don't know how to do the giveaway stuff. So if any of you guys know how to, either add my Instagram, which is, I'll put it right here. It's the same thing as my YouTube channel. It's YT and then Austin Ace. Send me a DM on there and show me how to do it the correct way. And then I was thinking about doing like a little giveaway on that gun, because I don't need two guns. But yeah, so thanks for staying tuned, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.